World Health Organization has urged political leaders to make COVID-19 vaccine accessible to everyone. The number of coronavirus cases across the world has crossed 14.8 million, while the pandemic has claimed more than 613,000 lives so far. The UNICEF says that 40 million children missed out on basic education due to coronavirus across the world. In Colombia, 9 people have been killed and other 6 injured when military helicopter crashed in southeast. In Egypt, 18 militants were killed when government forces thwarted a major terror attack on a security post in Sinai province. Eid-ul-Adha to be celebrated on 1st of next month with religious zeal and fervor.